Hello my digital friends. Yesterday I coded on virtual keyboard. So today I thought to extend similar on virtual whiteboard as I believe it's a great tool to collaborate in various hybrid education, distance learning and remote work models as well as fun in working with people with common interests. So, in my today's programming, I'll attempt an elementary content-rich interactive platform that everyone has access to at any point. So just see my whiteboard on a black screen. I hope you liked this programming and found it useful. If someone wants to use this code, I've shared it in the description below. Stay tuned for my next SAIL, that is Swayam's Artificial Intelligence Lab, and hope to see you soon.